Good afternoon, children. We will study today longitude and latitudes. What is longitude and what is latitude? As I have told you earlier or in the previous classes, that our earth has two motions, rotation and revolution. In the same way, our earth has two sorts of imaginary lines, that is latitudes and longitudes. I will tell you that a latitudes divide the earth into two parts, that is, the first one is northern pole and the second one is southern pole. I mean northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. So in the same way we will see that each latitudes of the from equator to north pole is 90 and from equator to south pole is 90. I mean total latitudes are including northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere 180. Now we will see the longitudes. Longitude divides the earth into two parts, eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. This is western hemisphere and this is eastern hemisphere. See children, these all lines are not the original lines on our earth, it is imaginary lines. It is only imagined but not shown on our earth. But according to these longitudes and latitudes, we have some special meaning for this. In the longitudes, we see if here is night, then here will be day. If it is midnight, then it is midday. I mean totally opposite of this eastern hemisphere is opposite of western hemisphere. How the day is, how the morning is for each country determined. So as the longitude of each country passes, as it is passing the longitudes, it becomes morning from here for the country and it reaches till the near the topmost of the earth, I mean middle of the earth. That means this country is facing the rays of the sun very direct. That is, when the country faces direct suns of on the earth, that means that is the middle of the day, I mean noon time. Then as the sun moves, as the earth hour moves more forward, please remember the earth has the motions from west to east, from west to east, like that. Don't forget, earth rotation is from west to east, like this. So बच्चों, अभी हम आप लोगों को ये दिखला रहे हैं कि हर देश के लिए दिन कैसे निर्धारित किया जाता है. हर देश का जब लॉन्गिट्यूड्स लाइन, जब इस एक जगह है जो निर्धारित जगह है हर देश के लिए, जैसे यहाँ वो देश पास करेगा उसके लिए सवेरा होता है, आमीन, सूर्य उगने लगता है. और जैसे हमारी धरती मूव करती जाती है ईस्टर्न वर्ड्स, पूर्व की तरफ, वैसे वैसे उसका दिन हमेशा उसके लिए बढ़ता जाता है और एकदम मध्य में आती है जैसे धरती, वह देश के लिए दोपहर का समय हो जाता है. और जैसे वहाँ से आगे बढ़ती है धरती, वहाँ उसके लिए शाम ढलने लगती है. और एग्जैक्टली जस्ट अपोजिट ऑफ द ईस्टर्न एंड वेस्टर्न प्लेस ऑफ द मिडिल, just opposite of the earth, there is evening. If here is morning, then opposite of it there will be evening. So we can say that each nation, each country has their own longitudes of determining the morning, night and day. Now we will see some importance lines of latitudes. There are many importance lines on our earth which is not there on our globe or on our earth, but it is an imaginary line. For example, let us see, there are five. There are five The first one is equator. The second one is Tropic of Cancer. The third one is इतना पढ़ाई बहुत हो गया, क्या होगा? सोशल स्टडी